Welcome to the F sharp basic scale. Now, welcome to the F sharp basic scale. The only scale we're playing in this basic section is only the major scale. We have done C, G, D, A, E, B, and now it's time for F sharp. F sharp is a really tricky one. Let me play it really quick. You see that there's a lot of black keys on them. And more importantly, we didn't start with our thumb. We started with our second finger. You can start with thumb. That's fine too. But the thing is, when you play more octaves at once, like this, right here, this transition, you have to twist your wrist and it's really uncomfortable. But if you start with your second finger, it's more flowing. See that? So okay, let's begin. Put your second finger on F sharp. I'll start right here. Put your second finger on F sharp, and then you play G sharp and A sharp with 2, 3, 4. It's pretty easy. It's just the 3 black keys. You can do it right here. You can do it right here. It's not that difficult. So you do second finger, third finger, fourth finger, then your first finger goes on B. See how that works? So, and then when we move on, we go 2, 3, 4, 1, and then we go C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. We end on pinky for 1 octave, and then we go down F sharp, F, D sharp, C sharp, B, and here's where we transfer to our fourth finger, and we end it on F sharp. So practice 1 octave with right hand until you feel comfortable. Now, once 1 octave is complete, now we're going to move on to 2 octaves. We play 2, 3. The 2 octaves is a little tricky as well. It's not the same fingerings as a basic scale. It's actually a unique one. So we go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. See what I did there? I did not end this with 4, 5. I went to 1, 2, 3, and I went to 1 on F, and then 2 on F sharp. The reason why I did that is because we started the scale with the second finger. I want to end the scale with the second finger. Same thing. So we go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So practice that. You could go up and down if you would. Now let's continue. And this time we could end with 4, 5 because we don't need to keep on going further. So to wrap it up, we go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to go down, we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. That's how we end the going up and down F sharp scale for 2 octaves. So practice 2 octaves with your right hand until you're comfortable and confident. Just like that. Now we're going to move on to the left hand. Left hand, we go. We start with our fourth finger and we end with our second finger. But if we continue, we change our second finger to our fourth finger. So we also do not start with our fifth finger on the F sharp. We start with our fourth finger. So this is why this is a tricky scale. We have our fourth finger on F sharp, and we have our second finger with our right hand on F sharp. And that's how we start the scale with 2 hands. So let's go with the left hand first again. So fourth finger on F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, like normal. And then we're going to go third finger on C sharp, D sharp, F, and we're going to end it with our second finger since we're only doing one octave. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. And let's go up. And down would be 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice one octave. You can pause the video anytime until you could play it like this with the right hand or left hand or both. Just like that. To go on to 2 octaves, we don't end on 2, we end on 4 because we started on 4 and we will start 4 here at the same time. Well, not same time, exactly the same way. If we're going to continue, then 4 would be here as well, but if we're going to end it, it's going to end on 2. So let's continue. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to end it 2. And now we go down. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice 2 octaves whenever you can play it comfortably and you know it pretty well. Now we're going to go with our two hands together. So we're going to start 4th finger left hand, 2nd finger right hand. Thumb goes on B right here. 3rd finger on C sharp. Thumb goes on F. 4th finger goes on F sharp on left hand. Thumb goes on B right hand. Left hand 3rd finger goes on C sharp. I'm going to end it. And we go down. Thumb goes on B. 4th finger goes on A sharp. Thumb goes on F. 3rd finger goes on D sharp. Thumb goes again on B. 4th finger goes on A sharp. And that is 2 octaves F sharp scale. F sharp major scale. If you want to play 2 octaves, or F sharp only 1 octave, that is fine. So you could practice 1 octave and then you could go down until you know 1 octave pretty well. Then you go on to 2 octaves. And you go down. Now, once you could play 2 octaves with 2 hands comfortably, now we're going to do the 4 octave stretch. We're going to go 25 times skipping up and down, and we're going to go 25 times straight. Good. If you've done 25 times skipping, now we go 25 times straight. Congratulations, you have just completed F sharp major basic scale. Let's move on.